Hi everyone, Darko here for your weekly trading example for the week ending Friday the 1st of April 2022. Okay. We took a trade in January based on a monthly ACAT. Let's see what I had to say about this trade and I will talk you through it. Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen is coming off monthly support. We have a monthly ACAT. Okay, this monthly ACAT. Now we need to fine tune that entry. There are several options. You take this neckline, this monthly neckline as your entry with the low stop loss in here, or you could take this weekly level, which is just slightly below. Okay, and this is a monthly ACAT. Okay, so this will be the entry with the low stop loss aiming to the upside. Okay, and you might say, but Darko, you know, this is also a weekly move. Yeah, sure, this is a weekly move. And what is a weekly move? A weekly move is not a pattern itself. A weekly move is always, what did I say, a daily or a 4-hour bigger set and forget. How? Price closes below this level in this specific case, and then we convincingly re-establish. We have background space. This is the entry with the low stop loss aiming to the upside. Okay, there you go. You saw that trade. I was pointing this trade out way before price got there, and I told everyone, you know what, win, lose, draw, I don't care taking a full loss, but I don't want to miss a monthly ACAT, because monthly ACAT are, those trades are no-brainers. Okay, first of all, you have like lots of time to plan these trades, and while you are sleeping, working, enjoying your life, your money is working for you. Because if you just need to work for money all the time, you will be working for the entire life. So you need to find a way to actually make money in the background without that many effort. Okay, without sitting in front of your charts 24/7 or 24/5. Okay, so the most important thing is not to show you a juicy trade, you know, look, hey, we took a winner. You know, let's just go through this properly and see, you know, how did I spot this trade way in advance like I spot every other trades. Okay, we start with the yearly chart. My yearly bias was 100% up. Okay, and price, this is the retracement on the yearly chart that we were looking for. Price went down into a level of support. Let me show you this. This is the level of support. Let me just take that line and show it to you here. Okay, price hits that level and gives you a bullish monthly ACAT. That's all I need. And then I said there are several ways to enter. I took the first one. Obviously, I don't want to miss this trade because I want to take a lower level. This lower level was like by just some pips. When it is that small differential, pips the differential, I just take the higher one. Okay, so this was the entry to the pip. Okay, the stop loss was below here. Okay. We got filled like in January the 28th, and this is still going up. Okay, so what was the risk and ratio? Okay, so basically this was the entry, and the stop loss is always below the natural stop. This is 180 plus 25. That's just over 200 pips. Okay, to the first neckline, that was 306 pips. Okay, that's to the first neckline. You could use that definitely as TP1. You could definitely use this as TP2, which is 500 pips away. So regardless, you know, and some people trail their stop losses. Okay, below the weekly candles or below the previous advanced pullback. Some people did that, and you know, this was over 1,300 pips trade with 205 pips stop loss. Okay, that's a huge risk reward. Regardless if you took this in, went out in this trade in here, okay, that alone is more than 2 to 1. And then if you trail your stop loss, that's over 1,300 pips in one single trade. Let me ask you this: since when did you make over 1,300 pips in a trade? Okay, or 600 or 800, or in this specific case, this is AJ. That means you are longing AJ. Not only you are gaining pips, you are also gaining the interest rate differential between Aussie and Japanese yen, okay, and that alone is huge because this pair is known for carry trades. So, and this is what I mean, you spot the trade, there's no stress, you had several weeks, I'm not talking about seconds, several weeks to get filled to spot this trade, and also let the money work for you while you're doing everything else for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks, 8, 9, you know. This is the type of trades that interested me, that is worth my time, worth my money. And will every trade end up in, you know, 1300 pips or where, you know, 500 pips, 600 pips? No. And next week I will show you several other trades that we had, and you will be amazed how the win ratio for long-term trading has been working for us for the past year or so, and even more since 2022. Like it's the only thing I regret that I didn't start long-term trading, you know, long time ago. So hope this intrigues you to watch more of the videos that I will be producing in the near future, and you know, let's do this. Okay, with that said, I want to wish you a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.